How to get 75% off American Airlines coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in American Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for American Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $400 off, $200 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at American Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of amazing offers and deals for American Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. You can also give a try to another website, Groupon. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for American Airlines. So this is how you can easily get 75% off working coupon code for American Airlines. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.